I'm never going back in there, so just to let you know.
What in the fuck are we talking about? Why are we making it this small?
Getting oil, leak sealant. It's quite the mess. You're welcome, service guys. You're welcome, future me as well. Put the filter dryer on the outside of the unit. Look what he just walked up with. Said, hey man, you gotta get this on video. I love that. Clean filter. It's a home warranty, so. All right, what up guys? It's your boy. We got a little 7/8 service valve replacement. Charge it up, start up, and then some service calls after that. So not quite the install that I'm used to, but nothing that I can't handle. So stay tuned. Literally tune in, right channel, dial it in, okay? 7/8 service valve replacement, followed by some service calls, back control boards, damper systems we're messing with, thermostats going bad, home warranty, you name it. Check this out. Get that propped up, plenty of room here. Unfortunately, we do have to replace that filter dryer. Excuse the frick out of me. Got her cut loose there. We're going to sweat that. We'll have to get those screws off still. And that. Getting oil, leak sealant. It's quite the mess. Just some artwork. Honestly, I guess I could have put the filter dryer out of the unit, but I'm just not. Too late now. Okay, I changed my mind. You're welcome, service guys. You're welcome, future me as well. Put the filter dryer on the outside of the unit. Yeah. Look what he just walked up with. Said, hey man, you gotta get this on video. I love that. Be free.
Going back to your nature.
Be free. Goes right to the house.
There wasn't a GFI in that disconnect, is it? That's just
no. Nope.
I'll grab a little extension cord.
Yeah, one of the 15 footers will do it. Okay, we did leak check. It's on the pump. This spray is right here. Took me about 17 tries. I'm not even gonna lie. This one under here wasn't too easy. But we got it. We'll clean this off when it dries up a little bit. Filter dryer moved out here. Money. Dirty line set. And we're pulling a vacuum on the condenser as well. Okay, we're all put together. Fence back up. Panel back on. She's running low. Need about 5 more ounces out of you. Okay, that line's set. Definitely goes into the crawl space and over. All right, now that we're done with that one, we're gonna go off to the service calls. Okay, we're gonna troubleshoot that unit. I was here last year, and I actually fit in this hole. Look, there's my flex work, the straps. I'm never going back in there, so just to let you know.
What in the fuck are we talking about? Why are we making it this small? What the fuck?
Oh God. Okay. Okay, so we don't have 24 volts. Of course, we have a damper system. Both thermostats are set to on, so long story short, we have 120 volts. We get 24. It's a bad board, but we're gonna finesse them some cooling. Hopefully, we'll send 24 volts out to the condenser, and then we'll wire the fan into the line voltage. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the video, so I'm gonna make another video, but the customers, they said they didn't need the AC, and we'll have that control board, if not tomorrow, the next day. So, didn't wire it up that way, just left it. Okay, it needs a new control board. They don't need the AC for a few days. Set it for 63, it's reading 73 in here. Definitely feels hotter than 73 in here. What do you think?
It's toasty.
Yeah, I don't know about the thermostat, but the condenser did come on, so we're gonna troubleshoot it. Okay. Interesting. What'd you say, low on chart? Yeah, you can hear it. You can hear this thing hissing from upstairs. Yep. All right. Yo, trap. Nothing alarming in here so far. It is getting slightly cold. We'll check some of the vents as we go up, but I think we're gonna have a refrigerant issue. Kind of want it up there. Anyways, we're gonna put the gauges on it. It is an R22 system, so we don't carry R22, and we don't charge 400 for a pound. We will convert it to MO99 if that's the case. So yeah. This is an absolute no-no. Came off right off the end. Fucking idiots. That's definitely taking most of the airflow, but so our pressures don't look low. We have a 20-degree temp split. Check the ductwork, it's fine. The only issue that we're running into is the thermostat was set for 73, reading 73, but it's obviously not 73 upstairs. How's that filter look? Wow, nice filter cover, guys. We didn't bring any tools down here either, so.
Of course we did.
It's probably sucking it in there with the old fans. Here we have an SSU. Clean filter. Let's go see what it actually is upstairs as far as temperature wise. But everything seems to be working fine. It's just not turning on when it needs to. We can bring some tools back there. Bro's in trouble. Okay, honestly, it's starting to feel better in here already. I'm just gonna set this down so it feels good for him. It's a home warranty. It's a home warranty, so guess I'll go call them real quick, swap the thermostat out, go from there. All right, guys, that does it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you're leaving a like, hit the sub button. We're climbing. I've been posting a lot of shorts and posting a lot of videos. We're recording a lot. As Mikey Pipes likes to say, we're feeding the people, okay? You guys are hungry, and I understand it now. I get it. You guys are hungry, and I'm here to feed you. All right, guys. See you on the next one.